Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by ruling out the magnifier and quick display toggles. Press Windows plus ESC to close magnifier or Windows plus minus to zoom out once. This often fixes sudden zoom. Then open Settings, go to System and Display so you can see scale and resolution. You're checking values now because magnifier and wrong scaling are the most common causes. Once you have settings open, keep them visible. Next, we'll apply precise scaling and resolution changes to restore normal view. Now change the display parameters. Set scale to 100% or the recommended percentage so UI elements return to normal size, because custom scaling can make everything look zoomed. Next, choose the recommended resolution. Monitors display best at native resolution, and using the wrong one stretches or zooms the image. If Windows asks to keep changes, confirm, and sign out or restart if prompted. Make sure to check multiple monitors if attached. Once done, you should see the desktop return to expected proportions. Finish by addressing drivers and final checks. Open Device Manager, expand display adapters, and update or reinstall the GPU driver because corrupted drivers can force odd display scaling. Restart the PC to apply driver or display changes. Make sure magnifier in Settings Accessibility is off. Toggle it to test. If problems continue, roll back the driver or try a different monitor to isolate hardware. Troubleshooting tip. If a driver update made things worse, roll back to the previous driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.